Welcome to this technical overview of model-driven apps and business process automation, or BPA, within the Power Platform. Model-driven apps are built on Dataverse. They utilize a data-first design, strong metadata, and role-based UI generation for their structure. Key components include Dataverse tables, forms, views, business rules, security rules, solutions, and app modules. Model-driven apps offer a consistent UI, scalability, ALM friendliness, strong governance, and rapid development, particularly for data-heavy processes. For business process automation, you can use Power Automate, business process flows, plugins, and real-time workflows to automate operations. Business process flows are essential for guiding users through stages, enforcing steps, integrating automation, and ensuring process standardization. Automation patterns include event-driven flows, approval chains, system-to-system APIs, and robotic process automation, or RPA, for legacy systems. Advanced scenarios feature AI builder integration, virtual tables, custom pages, and Dataverse plugins with .NET for complex logic. Key best practices cover solution layering, environment strategy, data modeling, security, monitoring, and governance. Thank you for watching this video. We encourage you to explore, build, automate, and innovate with model-driven apps and BPA.